Okay, so I just wanted to give you a quick look at the enrollment process for each of the PD Week courses and how you would drop them if you needed to do that afterwards. I apologize, I can't show the like picking from the catalog part because the catalog's not actually live yet, so I'm just looking at a preview of one of our sessions here right now. Again, as I let you know on the website, if you click on activity catalogs, you're looking for Virtual PD Week 22, that's where all of these are going to show up. Again, make sure you're getting the one that's the right day and time for the session that you're looking for. Once you've got it up and you've confirmed it's the right one, click on enroll, and then these fields will start to autofill for you, but you'll just make sure you've got all of this in here. I don't know why it asks for your home phone number. I don't need your home phone number. If you want to put your work phone number, that's fine. Not a big deal. So we click update and continue. It's going to take me to this next screen here in just a second, where I just need to click that box and hit submit. Okay, now this is where we tried to get this streamlined. Unfortunately, this is the way Frontline works, and there was no way around it. Both districts work similar ways. You're going to see the Malone one here in a second. Peru might be slightly different, but it still has to go through this step of an approval form. There's no way to get it into the system without an approval form. So the good thing is it's got most of the stuff filled out for it, so you really don't need to do much. There's just a couple things you have to do on each one of these forms each time you register for a session. Right here, and it'll be highlighted in red for you under activity focus area, just pick workshop. And then down here at the bottom where it says goals and purposes, honestly, just go ahead and check the top box in each one of those and then hit submit. And then that's it. And it tells me that I've actually submitted the form and that it's waiting for approval. Don't worry about the waiting for approval part. Once you've done that and you see this screen, you're good to go. Now, if you did need to drop it for some reason, if you log back in to the professional growth site and you click on learning plan, this shows you things that you have registered for, things that you went to, that kind of stuff. And you'll see right here, I know the font's kind of small, I'm sure for you, but it says pending a prior approval, and here's the one that I just registered for. And right next to it is a button that says manage. And if I click on manage, then down here at the bottom, there's a button that says drop. And in order to drop, you do have to put something in here. It really doesn't matter. I'm not even sure who sees this. So don't worry, you just have to type something. Once you've typed something, you can click the button that says drop this request, and then we can hit return. Now, if I go back to learning plan again, you're going to see that I don't have anything pending prior approval. So I dropped the course. Okay, so again, I apologize that you're going to have to do that for each one of the sessions that you're registering for, but it's the only way that we can actually track attendance and all that stuff that we have to do for the auditors and all that fun stuff. So if you have any questions, let me know.